have normal porosity. I know this ain't normal. This is not normal. Look at me, y'all. Look at me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Urban Locks. It's your girl Caira, and today I am fed up. Fed up. So, let me tell y'all, like 2 or 3 days ago, I spent hours and hours trying to use these neo curly products and getting my hair to, you know, be curly. But what I ended up doing was, instead of just, you know, blow drying and like, I guess it's called a diffuser when you use a little hand thing or whatever, or you scrunch it up. So I just did a braid out. So I braided it. The next day, I didn't sleep with a bonnet on. My fault. Oops. Then the next day, I slept with the bonnet on, and I ended up taking out the braids yesterday. So my hair was kind of curly, you know, it looked like this. I'll insert a picture. It looked decent, but I just felt like it was so tangled and it was just so knotty to me, and like the curls didn't even look good enough for, you know, me to just like look past it. I was like, yo, this looks a mess. So it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, 2:30, and ouch, I'm on FaceTime and I just start brushing my hair. Mind you, it's dry. You shouldn't, I don't think you should be brushing your hair when it's dry, especially, oh my God, look at me being rough. Look at me being rough. So, I just was getting so frustrated last night because it's just, why was it that nappy? Why was it that nappy? I don't understand. And it's still nappy. Like, I bet you, oh, we're stuck. We're stuck. Stuck again. Stuck again. Ouch. And it's really nappy, so I just don't understand. I don't get it. So what I'm actually about to do now, I'm gonna try to find out my hair porosity. Like, I've done it before and I felt like it was high porosity, but I don't know. I'm gonna do it again. I got my little cup of water right here, room temperature water, and I'm gonna pull some strands and see if we can get another test done and see what's going on, because maybe the neo curly just doesn't, I can't even say that because it's probably me. Probably has nothing to do with the neo curly. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, Auntie Bev. I love you, baby. Love you. And it probably is just me and my technique and me not knowing what I'm doing, and just me. It's probably all me. Okay? So y'all, look at me. All right, anyway, let's go ahead and pull some strands out here and get this hair porosity test popping. I'm just gonna break it because I don't feel like I need all that. So we got one piece, put it down. I'm gonna grab them from like different parts of my head. So a couple people did give me some recommendations already, because I had made a post on Instagram, because baby, I need help. Because knowing me, I'll mess around and be like, look, I'm ready to get these locks back and try to do it myself. So I need to just be patient, and I need to be willing to learn like I did for my locks. I know nothing about locks, but I took the time to learn. So I just need to do the same thing and go from there. All right. So I got 4 pieces of hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. I'm not gonna show you guys because they need to sit for like 2 to 4 minutes, I believe. So I'm just gonna let them sit for a minute before I even. Oh my goodness. So we got 2 that stayed up top, and that one is long going down there. Might as well do 4. I think I had pulled out 4, but I don't know where the other one is. Oh, here it is, still stuck in my leg. That one is floating right to the bottom. And I didn't even poke it down. Oh my gosh, the confusion, the confusion. I feel like I might as well just do a tiebreaker here, and we should just do another one. Look at me, y'all. Look at me. I'm gonna do one more. We'll pull this one from in here somewhere. Ouch. All right, we got another one. crumple this one up a little bit. Uh-oh, I think she's going down. Looks like she's trying to hold on. Uh-oh, I think she is holding on. Yo, I don't fucking know. I'm so sick of this, y'all. Listen, no, I'm not. I'm not sick of this. It didn't even start yet. But I'm just, come on, man, what? Okay, well, this piece already came out. I'm gonna put this one here, too. Wanna have both porosities. That is just too much work. I'm on one porosity. I want one. Oh, darn it. Oh my gosh, she's staying to the top. Maybe I have a low porosity, guys. Because I got 4 up top and 2 down below. I'm just gonna do one more. I promise, just one more. And then I'm gonna leave them alone for a few minutes and see what they do. Oh my God. I don't need to have both. That means I gotta worry about 2 different products or an all-inclusive. Because I know I don't have normal porosity. I know this ain't normal. This is not normal. She went down. One of them went down. Okay. Oh shit, I'm stepping on my. All right, we're gonna put this last one in here, and then I'm really gonna leave it alone, and we're just gonna see. Oh God. Oh my God, she's going to the bottom. Okay, so that means that it's high. If it's sinking, which is what I thought. So mostly everybody done went down to the bottom, y'all. So I think my hypothesis was correct. I believe I have high porosity. I think I should do one more, just for real this time. This is literally it. And I'm not gonna I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna do one more. She's in there. Guess where she's going? Straight to the bottom. All right, you guys, I got high porosity hair, and I'm going with that, okay? I got high porosity hair, because I got like, I think 5 down at the bottom and only 2 up top. So those 2 up top is lying. They're lying. They're lying. This is so dumb. I didn't have to do all this with Mox. This is too much. Caira, let's not be like that, though. I'm not gonna be like that, you guys. I'm gonna do right. I'm gonna learn the same way that I learned with my locks. I didn't have to worry about this though. What I don't want to do is go spend a whole bunch of money on a whole different bunch of products because I'm over here trying to figure out stuff. I don't got time for that. I was a little discouraged last night. I really was. Like, as I was brushing, I'm like, yo, what the fuck is going on? Why is it this nappy? Why? Just why? This isn't how I started the day. Why is this how I'm ending the day? Why did I even need to do this? Like, there was just so many thoughts in my head, and I'm like, why did I even need to sit here and really brush this out like this? And why did I do that? Now look at me. Now look at me. That's it for my little porosity test. I guess that's what this video would be. So as you can see, everything pretty much went down to the bottom except for these 2. These 2 stayed up top. This is really about to be a learning experience, and I feel like it still hasn't fully all hit me yet, but this right here, this is a test of my willpower, y'all, because this is crazy. Oh my God. All right, you guys, I'm going because I look rusted and busted. So if you guys have any product recommendations for high porosity hair, we're gonna go with that and see how that works out. So I'm claiming it. I got high porosity. We're just gonna claim it and work with it and see how that goes. Please. So I did that hair porosity test maybe like, so it was 11:52 when I first started making that video. So around 12 o'clock is when I did it. It's 1:07, and I just took a little glance at this cup, and everything is floating at the top now. I'm just, you know what? about this hair porosity, I really don't even know what's up anymore. I really don't. I'm ready to just give up on that for a second. So, you know, I try to do the responsible thing and get on YouTube and try to find a video explaining, you know, more detail about hair porosity. And, you know, this video is great. She's wonderful. Like, she explains it amazingly. Her name on here is it De La Soul? Yeah, I'm in a bit. Yeah, De La Soul. Okay, so I'm actually going like and subscribe. But dang, so this video is great, but I realized that I haven't done enough experimenting with my hair to even answer these questions to figure out my porosity. So I guess I'm just gonna have to struggle for a few more days before I can really get an answer, because that strand test, the water test, I don't know how accurate that is. So girl, this video is great, but I'm not at this step yet.